Double-hung windows Pasadena, Texas is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our expert team specializes in double-hung window installation Pasadena TX, ensuring a seamless fit and superior performance. With a focus on energy-efficient windows Pasadena, Texas, we provide solutions that enhance your home's comfort and reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient windows in Pasadena, Texas are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment while minimizing energy consumption. Our window replacement services Pasadena offer a range of energy-efficient options designed to meet your specific needs. By choosing energy-efficient windows Pasadena, Texas, you can enjoy significant energy savings and a more sustainable home. Custom window solutions in Pasadena TX are tailored to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Our window design consultation Pasadena, Texas ensures that you receive personalized recommendations that align with your style preferences and functional requirements. From window style options, Pasadena to custom window solutions. Pasadena TX, we provide comprehensive services to enhance your home's appearance and performance. Double-hung windows Pasadena are dedicated to restoring the functionality and appearance of your windows. Whether you need window frame repair Pasadena TX or window glass replacement Pasadena, our skilled technicians deliver reliable and efficient services. Trust our window repair experts in Pasadena to address any issues and extend the lifespan of your windows. Residential window services in Pasadena, Texas encompass a wide range of offerings to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. From window maintenance services, Pasadena, Texas, to window sealing services Pasadena TX, we provide comprehensive solutions to keep your windows in optimal condition. Our residential window services Pasadena, Texas are designed to enhance the comfort and efficiency of your home. Window frame repair in Pasadena TX is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your windows. Our experienced team specializes in window frame repair Pasadena TX, ensuring that your windows remain secure and visually appealing. With our window frame repair services, you can prevent further damage and extend the life of your windows. Window glass replacement in Pasadena is essential for addressing issues such as cracks, fogging, or broken panes. Our window glass replacement Pasadena services provide high-quality solutions to restore the clarity and functionality of your windows. Trust our experts for efficient and reliable window glass replacement in Pasadena. Window maintenance services in Pasadena, Texas are vital for preserving the performance and appearance of your windows. Our comprehensive window maintenance services, Pasadena, Texas, include cleaning, sealing, and hardware upgrades to ensure your windows remain in top condition. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your windows. Double-hung windows, Pasadena TX, are designed to enhance the energy efficiency and comfort of your home. Our window sealing services, Pasadena TX, address gaps and leaks that can lead to energy loss and drafts. By improving the sealing of your windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable indoor environment and reduced energy bills. Window hardware upgrades in Pasadena are an excellent way to enhance the functionality and security of your windows. Our window hardware upgrades, Pasadena, include the installation of modern locks, handles, and other components to improve the performance of your windows. Upgrade your window hardware to enjoy increased security and ease of use.